Hi everyone, welcome back. Right now we're going to talk about how to take a screenshot of your computer screen. So it's pretty simple. All you really need to do is press Command, or rather hold Command, Shift as well at the same time, and then press 3. And by default, the screenshot will be saved to your desktop right here. And we'll just click on that right here and do a quick look by pressing spacebar to see what the screenshot looks like. And as you see, it successfully took a screenshot of our screen. Now, there's another way to take a screenshot, which is by holding Command, holding Shift, and pressing 4 instead. Now, what this does is it creates a cursor that looks like crosshairs right here, and what this does is it allows you to select what portion of the screen you want to take a screenshot of. So all you need to do is click and hold, and you'll drag over the part that you want to take a screenshot of. So right now I'm going to drag over this How to Tech Guys portion of my screen, and there you go. By default, it saved it to my desktop. I'll do a quick look by pressing spacebar, and there you go. The How to Tech Guys portion is all that was taken for the screenshot. Now, another thing you can do is hold Command, then Shift, and then press 4, and then instead of doing a selection of the screen with the crosshairs, we press spacebar here, and then we can decide to take a screenshot of a particular window that is open. So right now I have this How to Tech Guys banner open for one window, and I also have right here my Finder window that's open. So I'm going to take first a screenshot of this window right here for the How to Tech Guys screen banner, or How to Tech Guys banner, and I'll just click that, and as you see, it took a screenshot of that window. And I'll try that again, Command Shift 4 spacebar, and this time I'm going to take a screenshot of my Finder window by clicking on that window right there. And I'm just going to go to that window right here because it's a little easier to see all the screenshots that we're taking. So the last one that was taken right here is this one right here, the desktop. And so that's pretty neat. One other thing you can do is, instead of saving the screenshot to your desktop, you could also have it saved to your clipboard so that you can paste it into a document later. So what you need to do for that is press Command, Shift, Control, so you're going to hold all those at the same time, and then press 3. Now that takes the whole screen. You could also do Command, Shift, Control 4 to do a selection, as we said before. And so now that's saved to my clipboard. And to give you an example of how we might want to use that later is I'll open up Pages here, and I'll just do a blank document, and I'll press Command V for paste, or I can go to Edit and paste. And as you see right here, what was saved to my clipboard is now in my document here, the How to Tech Guys, or it's rather the whole screen of my computer. And so those are all the different ways you can take screenshots